And also joining us on the panel this evening is Rahul Mehra, Senior Advocate of the Supreme Court. Thank you very much. Gentlemen, I think we have a full house. Let's begin. Did you find Mr. Shirke convincing? Rahul Narvekar.
Well, first and foremost, let me congratulate Mr. Shirke for at least having the spine to come on television and face the media and the nation.
Oh yeah.
So, hats off to him for that. The rest of the team members of the BCCI have failed to do that so far.
Yeah.
Hopefully, they will come out and give their clarification soon.
Yeah.
Mr. Shirke has set a precedent, so that's welcome. Well, from what Mr. Shirke has said, I gather that he has either undermined the capability of BCCI to investigate the matter,
Yeah.
or he says that the BCCI does not have the power to investigate.
Yeah.
On both the counts, I think he's failed for the simple reason, if you do not have the capacity to investigate, or you don't believe in your own investigation, then why do you deserve the autonomy that you have? You're representing the nation, you're representing the country's pride, and if you can't investigate a certain matter, I don't think the board has the capabilities or the right to have the autonomy which they are enjoying right now. Number two, when we talk about a judicial investigation, when we talk about a police investigation, when we talk about a detailed investigation by the investigating authorities of the state, and if we are only going to rely on that, then why do have the whole sham of having a BCCI investigation? So, Mr. Shirke, we need the BCCI to come out clear whether or not their investigation is going to have any role or is going to have any significance at the end of the day.
Well, it's not clearly. Mr. Shirke has acknowledged today that this so-called inquiry is an inquiry that has no investigating skills or depth. Didn't you admit that? Mr. Shirke has admitted that. He's admitted that. Haven't you, Mr. Shirke? That this so-called inquiry has no investigating skills. And I want to ask you, if an inquiry has no investigating skills, then why do you have an inquiry in the first place? YP Singh has a question to Mr. Shirke. Go ahead, YP.
Well, Mr. Shirke, you must know one thing, that the general rule of inquiry is that if the inquiry is in a matter where the chief is related, the chief has to step down first so that the inquiry process is facilitated. Number one. Secondly, this is an administrative action where action has to be taken on probability, whereas the criminal case has to be taken to its logical conclusion by proving it beyond reasonable doubt. That means you require proof for it. If your subordinate commits a wrong, you simply ask him to get out, even though the police investigation may go on. So how can you ensure that that Srinivasan stays, and yet the inquiry would be done partially by those people who have been appointed by him?
A third voice questioning Mr. Shirke. I'll give you full opportunity to reply, Mr. Shirke. Aslam Ghoni, please hear the questions tonight, and remember this, Aslam Ghoni. You said to me on Thursday, this will pass on. Be clear, Mr. Ghoni, this is not passing on. More questions are coming out, and more dirt is being dug. Rahul Mehra, this is an opportunity tonight on the News Hour to ask direct questions, not just to Aslam Ghoni, but to the BCCI Treasurer and member of the IPL Governing Council, Mr. Ajay Shirke himself. What's your question?
Arnab, you've asked many probing questions, but I haven't heard an answer. So if you haven't been able to get answers out, I stand no chance. So I'll pass that. But I have a few points to make, Arnab, and I hope these are well taken points. Point number one, it's a great day that a young politician like Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia, whom I personally have also accused over the last few days, he has had the courage to come and stand on the face of the adversity, and he has shown leaders like Arun Jaitley, who propose themselves and they are self-proclaimed PM candidates in the coming elections. I think they have more to hide than to come out clean in to the entire nation. So I hope they take a leaf out of Jyotiraditya Scindia. Number two, it's a sad day. It's a day of emergency in Indian cricket, because a so-called legend, a person who has given us great joy as a cricketing captain, has allowed himself to be gagged by a gang of people who are surely hiding more than they are revealing. And therefore, what is it? Why is it that Mr. Dhoni has to stick on to his Indian cap? Why is it that he allows himself to be gagged? Why is it that he cannot have the courage to say that enough is enough? I will either come out clean before the nation, or is it that he's also hiding ghosts in the closet?
Answer that. One second, Ajay Shirke, take that. Ajay Shirke, take that. No, Ajay Shirke, take that. You see, in November 2012, Ajay Shirke, you're still there. You can hear me loud and clear. This is Arnab here, sir. I hope I have the audio line with you and you heard the three participants. Mr. Ajay Shirke, you know, it was horrible today. It was horrible today to see the manner in which you are trying to censor Dhoni. Dhoni is not, you don't own Dhoni. Dhoni is the Indian cricket captain. The Chennai Super Kings India Cements does not own Dhoni. And in 2012, the BCCI had said the BCCI does not and has no intention to censor or limit bona fide news reporting. Why are you censoring Times Now? Why are you gagging Dhoni? Tell me, Mr. Shirke, are you in agreement with that?
Personally, I'm not in agreement with that. But, like I said, I look after the treasury operations of this.
No, you are a member of the IPL Governing Council.
I do not have any such cap. Well, the interview was conducted in the BCCI domain.
You are
not in the IPL,
you are a member of the
because he's
BCCI
going on to the
disciplinary
Champions
committee.
Trophy.
You are president of the Maharashtra Cricket Association.
Any of that? Yes, in Maharashtra Cricket Association, anybody can speak whatever he wants to, and we don't gag anybody.
Five times Dhoni was asked the question. Do you think censoring Dhoni was right or wrong? Wrong or right?
I do not think that it was right.
It
was up to Mr. Dhoni as a leader.
No, it was not up to him. The BCCI was gagging him. The BCCI was not letting the questions be asked.
When the question of spine comes, whether a person has the spine or otherwise, at the end of the day, that particular person has to take the call and he has to decide for himself.
Well, I don't know. I don't know if we can buy that line.
Gag or otherwise.
Well, there was a
No,
gag.
absolutely. I have come here. I am an extremely private person.
Counter.
But when my name was
counter is coming for you.
into this thing yesterday.
Rahul Narvik.
Mr. Shirke has a point there. Yes, to some extent he is right.
There's
There's no point only blaming BCCI. BCCI is definitely wrong in what they've done.
Yeah, absolutely.
But Mr. Dhoni also needs to answer the nation. Mr. Dhoni also needs to answer the questions that the countrymen have. Because it's thanks to these countrymen, he is sitting where he is today. So, Mr. Dhoni, if BCCI is responsible, if not more, you're as responsible as the BCCI is.
See there. Now my next question goes not to Dhoni but to Ghani. Aslam Ghani, my next question is to you. Aslam Ghani, here you have a BCCI treasurer who has openly said that the attempt to gag Mahendra Singh Dhoni was wrong. You have a BCCI treasurer who has openly said that the inquiry committee does not have the appropriate investigating skills to look into the case of Gurunath Mayappan.
I think Arnab, one of my esteemed friend on the panel, because I can't see who's talking that, was very right in saying and making a distinction between an inquiry and an investigation. Inquiry definitely is not a fully investigative system. They don't have any such system.
No,
and investigation, please, this is inquiry being conducted. And if Mr. Shirke says for that matter that it is not a proper investigation, against that there is a complete investigation going on by the police, this has been my point from day first. I have been repeatedly saying it, that investigation once
But
a
if your
criminal
inquiry is going to be
starts,
inconsequential, why have a sham? Why are you trying to fool the
No,
people?
no,
What is the
Arnab,
purpose of an inquiry or
Arnab,
investigation?
Arnab,
It's to get, it's a fact-finding
Arnab,
body.
And I want to
Arnab,
ask you,
and if
and I
you're-
want to
Arnab,
ask you, Mr. Aslam Ghani, one second. Mr. Aslam Ghani,
Arnab,
Farooq Abdullah came
Arnab,
out and
please,
defended
please.
Srinivasan today. No, Farooq Abdullah came out and defended Srinivasan today. Am I correct? Right?
Yes.
Okay,
very
now,
correct.
one sec. Is he
Very
returning the
correct.
favor? Is he
What
returning a
favor?
favor?
What favor?
Is he returning a
What
favor?
favor? What favor?
I'm asking you the question. You
What
should know.
favor? You tell
Was he
me.
returning a favor?
You asking a question, Arnab, you tell me what favor?
In 2012, is it true or not that the Jammu and Kashmir Cricket Association faced allegations of a multi-crore scam? Is it true or not that the police case was registered against two board
True.
officials?
True.
Did the BCCI swing into action?
What BCCI has to do with
Was it told at that point of time or not that the
the
BCCI would send down a team of auditors to investigate and prepare a report?
That is
What happened after that?
I'm hearing from you.
What happened after that?
I'm hearing from you.
What happened after
I'm
that?
hearing from you.
What happened
Arnab.
after that?
There are
Please,
newspaper
What happened after
please,
that?
please.
What happened
Arnab,
after
there
that?
are newspaper reports
Please.
to that
What happened
effect.
after that? happened after that?
If you have to come on personal, listen, Arnab.
I'm not personal.
If you
I'm
have to
asking
make
a straight
personal
question.
things,
There's nothing personal
yes,
in my question.
you're
I don't ask
personal.
personal questions.
You're getting personal.
I'm asking a direct question.
Listen, that is the problem.
I'm asking a direct question, sir. There's
seen
nothing personal in my question.
I have seen how reckless the media can go.
Oh, go after the media.
I filed a FIR and you projected me as an accused.
I am asking a general question.
verifying the
These are
facts.
public questions.
Without
I am
verifying
asking
the
you
facts.
questions.
No,
I didn't
you are
even
not
take your
asking
name.
real facts.
I'm asking a question.
What is the favor? You
I am
tell me.
asking.
What
I am
is the
asking
favor?
today.
Favor
I am
is-
asking
listen,
today. I am asking
listen,
today.
Listen, please.
One second,
Please
Aslam
listen.
Ghani, calm down,
If you have no
This
patience,
refers to
please.
public
Please
conduct
listen.
which is permitted under all laws.
You are. I don't know who else is talking
That's
here.
that's
I can't
YP Singh.
really,
YP Singh. That's
distinguish
YP
who's
Singh. He's asking a
talking here.
question.
I am saying no. You please listen to first my answer. The allegation you have leveled. You got to listen to it.
Mr. Ghani.
You got to listen to
Mr.
it,
Ghani.
Mr.
Mr.
Goswami.
Ghani, one second.
You got
I'm
to listen to
sorry.
it.
I'm sorry, Mr. Ghani. I really don't know why you're getting so aggressive with me tonight. Because I'm asking a
I
very
am not
straight
getting
question.
against you.
No, I'm asking a
not getting
question.
against you at
Mr.
all.
Ghani.
I am trying to correct you. I am
Mr.
trying to correct
Ghani,
you,
Mr.
Arnab.
Ghani, please relax.
I am trying to
Mr.
correct you on
Ghani,
the,
I am asking you
on the
today.
facts.
No, you see, the question is Farooq
No, where
Abdullah.
from you get
Farooq
this question?
Did
Where from you
did
this question?
Srinivasan go after the Jammu and Kashmir Cricket Association in your view? Did Srinivasan go after the Jammu and Kashmir Cricket Association in your view? Did Srinivasan go after the Jammu and Kashmir
What?
Cricket Association in your view? Did he go after your state association
What
of
he has-
cricket?
What state association of
Did
I am not able to understand how you
Srinivasan
appreciate
go
the
all
point.
out against the Jammu and Kashmir Cricket Association regarding those alleged allegations? Did he or did he not?
No. I think Srinivasan cannot take Mr. Goswami's place to decide
all.
and judge and
No,
give a
YPC,
judgment.
YPC.
It was very soft. It is more than
He
apparent.
cannot take your place. I'm sorry to say.
Reciprocity is
Because
apparent
you
in the
are-
entire
you are-
demeanor.
You have become biggest judge of this country.